You can do it. We are going to fix this today. There is hope for you. Hello, everyone. So great to see you. You're awesome. If you have a bird in your hand, you may soon have one in your bush. Because of sexism, there is a double standard between men and women, in which a sexually active woman may experience slut shaming. We can do better than that. Time to put a stop to it. Want to play a joke on your friend? Forget the exploding cigar, too small. Try a Dr. Torpor exploding car. Now that's a real surprise. Order now and receive a set of Dr. Torpor chimney cleaning sparrows free. Cleaning the chimney is such a dirty job. It's for the birds. Don't let anyone call you a dirty little birdie because of your sexuality, or because of your chimney, or because of what goes up or comes down your chimney. Stay in contact with the infinite.